Welcome, in front of me is a UMIDIGI Z2, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. So to get started, let's power off the device by holding the power key and selecting power off. And once the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both of those keys at the same time. And when you see the logo, you can let go. So when you see the Android with no command, what you want to do is hold power key and press volume up once, like so. And you should be then in recovery mode. So in this mode you will use both volume keys to navigate. So volume down goes down and volume up goes up. And you want to select wipe data factory reset, this super tiny text, hopefully you can see it, and press power key to confirm it, and then select yes, and once more power key to confirm it. Then at the bottom you'll have a dialog basically giving you basic information what it's doing, and the last thing you should see, data wipe complete, and then reboot system now will be then selected by default. So all you need to do now is press power key to reboot the device, and it will continue the process of resetting in the background. So it will be turning on for a little bit longer than it normally does, but once it's finished we should be presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can now set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.